Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to back up WordPress website. So if you want to back up your website, here's a quick guide on how to back up your WordPress website. So the first thing you have to do is head over to your toolbar, then tap on plugins. So from here you're going to use this search bar up here to search for this particular plugin, which is Updraft. Then search the keyword Updraft. Then this is what you are going to install as a plugin to your WordPress. You can see backup, install, or migrate your WordPress website to another host or schedule. So just tap on it. So the main purpose of this plugin is to back up your website. Now here is the thing: if you are running on the free trial, you might not be able to install this plugin. So before you be able to install this plugin, you have to make sure you upgrade your plan and update your plan. So currently I'm running on the free version. You can see free business plan, so I'm running on the free version. But if you want to use this service, you have to upgrade version. So once you upgrade it, go to a business plan or a pro plan. Then after that, come back and install this. Once you install this to your WordPress website, then go back, head over to the plugin settings. Then from there you can install it and back up your WordPress website. And that is how you can back up WordPress website desktop. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button.